Stop scrolling if you've ever hit snooze on your alarm clock. Did you know alarm clocks have a strange and surprising history? Before their invention, people hired knocker-uppers, yes, real humans, to knock on bedroom windows with long sticks to wake them up. And in ancient Greece, people used water clocks that dripped liquid onto a gong to wake them. The first mechanical alarm clock? It could only be set for 4 a.m., invented in 1787 by Levi Hutchins, just because he wanted to be punctual. So next time you hit snooze, remember, at least you don't need someone with a stick yelling at your window. Now that's a wake-up call.